Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be making an origami bird. So all you have to do is just fold paper and then you'll just make this. And it'll require a couple of cutting. So not that much, but just one a little. So it will look like this, as you saw before. And if you pull this tail, then the wings will actually flap. So let's start the tutorial. Okay, so first we're gonna fold this here so we know where to cut. Make sure it's exact and proper. And now we're gonna cut this part because we don't need this part. Some of you guys might just have straight origami paper and so you won't have to cut, okay? So, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna keep it like this. We're not gonna unfold it back, but anyways, that's just to show you. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. We're gonna fold the paper like this, and now this could be a little tricky, but it's not that much. So you're gonna put your finger. Here, and then make. So it's gonna be a triangle, right? So there should be a gap here. You should fold it like here. And now just fold it like that. So now we're gonna flip it over, move this triangle to this side. So like here to here. So now we do it the same thing but on this side. So like that. So now we made a square again. Next part, so the bottom should look like this, and don't accidentally fold it like this. So you have to fold it on this side where the bottom is here. So the bottom has to face where the video is, and the top has to face to the wall. So now we're gonna don't take the whole thing, just take one flap and put it. And now fold it to this line. Now we're going to take this flap and fold it to this line to the same thing, but on the other side. Now we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Now the square should be gone. Now we're going to bend this here. Now this is the absolute tricky part, what I was talking about from the start. So these two flaps have to go down here. Now just follow what I do. Bring this here, make sure it doesn't go above, and now make it like this. This is maybe pretty tricky. Now I'm gonna flip it over, unfold these two, and do the same thing. Now it should look like this, something. Now we are very close to this thing right over here. So now the next step, we're gonna open this. And we're gonna bring these two up. Fold it like this. Now we're gonna make it face this way. And then press it here. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here. Now we are going to, you see how there's this thing over here? We're going to make it like that over here, as you can see closely. Now over here it should be good. Now we're gonna fold it over here. Now same thing on the other side. Now make them like that, and there we go. So the first time you do this, you gotta be careful so it doesn't rip down here. So do it nicely and carefully at first. And now do it once, do it twice or 3 times, and now it's gonna be easy to flap. So here's the solution if one flap is not working. So for me, both flaps are working. So if only one flap is like, flapping, unfold this and do that on this side. Because now this one might be able to flap both, okay? But for me, it was fine before, so I'm just gonna change it back, okay? There we go, voila, I made the thing, the flapping origami bird. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.